Alright, today I'm going to be making creamy cheese ramen noodles with ranch. What you're going to need is ramen noodles, pepperoni, 3 slices of cheese, and ranch. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the pack of ramen noodles. I'm going to put the ramen noodles inside of the container right here. Pour the crunchies, and then put the seasoning in there. And then I'm going to add water up to the line. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave. Alright, after 3 minutes and some change, I'm going to pull it out. And we're going to put a little bit of ranch in here, just like that. Alright, and then we're going to put some pepperoni in it, just like that. See this? Put it all in there. Absolute goodness. And then we're going to slap some cheese in there. Put some cheese on top. Slap some cheese. 1. Alright. Got 1 in there. Got 2. And then 3. Alright, put it back in there for about a minute. After about a minute, we're going to pull it out. Here it is right here. Gonna take this, let me zoom in for you. We're just gonna stir it up. The cheese, the ranch, just like that. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. All right, let me know what you think of the recipe. It's a really good recipe. It's one of my favorite. Absolute goodness.